Hi, my name's Doug, and in this tutorial we're going to go over the interactive tap template. Let's check it out. The interactive tap template is used to create animated content that utilizes user taps to trigger additional animations. First, open Lens Studio and choose the interactive tap template. This template already has some content inside of it to give you an idea of how the lens might look once you've imported and set up your own content. Feel free to play around in here for a bit if you'd like. To begin, we'll first locate the placeholder object with the label Replace Me in the Objects panel and remove it. We'll do the same for the content in the Resources panel with the label Remove Me. Now we're ready to import our animations. Go to File, Import, and import the FBX you exported from your 3D package. Once your object is in, place it under the World Object Controller. This will parent it to the controller. Try to fit your object inside the touch collision box. This box represents what users will interact with when using your lens. Next, import the textures you exported with your object's FBX file. For this template, we'll be using a PBR material. To create a new material, right-click in the Resources panel and choose Add, Material, PBR. Next, apply the new material to your object's mesh. With the new material selected, we'll fill in all the fields with the textures we imported. In this template, we've selected to use our Mar Vista environment texture. Environment textures provide lighting and reflection information to PBR materials. If you'd like to create a different environment texture, right-click in the Resources panel and choose Add, Texture, Environment Map, and choose from the list. Let's get our object moving. Select the World Object Controller and click the field labeled Animation Mixer. Find the Animation Mixer component on your object. Next, we need to define the names of our animations. You can find the animation layer names by selecting your object with the Animation Mixer component. Using this information, specify the animation you'd like to use for an idle and the one you'd like to use when the object is tapped. Tap loops define how many times you'd like to play the tap animation when the user taps the object. Remember to hit the reset button when you want to see your changes applied. Next, we'll apply shadows. With the mesh selected for your imported object, select Caster from the Shadow Mode drop-down menu. Your shadow may appear dark, so use the Shadow Density slider to control the appearance of your shadow. We can also fine-tune our Manipulate component if we need to. From here, we can control dragging, scaling, and rotation. We can also control the minimum and maximum distance the object can move from the camera, as well as the min and max scale. Finally, let's preview our lens in Snapchat. To do this, click Pair Your Device in the top right corner of Lens Studio. Then, open Snapchat and scan the provided snap code. Make sure your device and computer are on the same Wi-Fi network. Depending on your network, this may take up to 30 seconds to connect. Once Snapchat and Lens Studio are connected, press the Push Lens to Device button. You can now preview your lens inside Snapchat. This lens is now ready for submission. For more information on submitting your lens, follow the submission guide in the Lens Studio documentation. Now you can enjoy your own custom creation in Snapchat with Lens Studio. Thanks for watching.